في حالة ال increasing وال decreasing إذا كان ال acceleration أكبر من الزيرو إذا على طول السرعة مالها increasing. إذا كان ال acceleration less than zero إذا معناتها مالها السرعة decreasing وهكذا. بينما هنا محتاجين نشوف إشارة ال acceleration وإشارة ال velocity مع بعض. إذا متشابهين معناتها speeding up، إذا مختلفين معناتها إيش؟ slowing down. Or alternatively, an object is slowing down when its speed, which is absolute value of vt, is decreasing, and speeding up when its speed is increasing. So here we have an example 2. So in example 1, the velocity and acceleration function of four particles are respectively. So to know what is the function of the velocity, that's mean we need to just differentiate this one. So it will be minus 2t plus 4. So minus 2t plus 4 is the derivative of s, that's mean it is the velocity. To know what is the acceleration, just we need to find what is the derivative of the velocity, which is derivative of minus 2t plus 4, which give us it is equal minus 2. Now if we evaluate v0, that will give us minus 2 multiplied by 0, so this will give us here 4. And if we evaluate also v2, so v2 this will give us minus 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4, minus 4 plus 4, which is 0. And if we evaluate also v6, so we take the same time in the example number 1, so this will give us minus 2 multiplied by 6 plus 4, it will be minus 12 plus 4, which is minus 8. But for the acceleration for all these interval, we see here acceleration is less than 0 for all these interval. So if we make some interval or make a table to distinguish between when the function is slowing down and speeding up, sorry. So here if we know that the 0 of minus 2t plus 4 is just make minus 2t plus 4 is equal to 0, that means t is equal to. So if we distribute this one here 2, this one is here infinity, this one here is minus infinity. So for the interval from minus infinity to 2, we have the velocity is positive, so here we have vt is greater than 0, and the acceleration is always negative, and so here we have at is less than 0. So since the velocity is positive and the acceleration is negative, we conclude from here they have opposite algebraic sign, that means the object here is slowing down. So for the interval from minus infinity to 2, the object is slowing down. Why we conclude it is slowing down? Because they have a different algebraic sign. The velocity is positive and the acceleration is negative. But for the interval from 2 to infinity, we have from 2 to infinity the object is here we have the velocity is negative, less than 0, and the acceleration is always negative. So since both of them negative, so we conclude that the object is speeding up. So here we have speeding up. يعني في الفترة من minus infinity لحد 2 لو أخذنا any number and you substitute in the ds over dt or in the velocity, we'll get this one is always positive. So that's mean no vt greater than 0 and at less than 0. فبما أن واحدة منهم positive وواحدة منهم negative, إذن على طول we conclude that the object is slowing down on the interval from minus infinity ل 2. في الفترة الثانية from 2 to infinity, take any number in this function, substitute here, you will get it will be less than 0. That's mean the velocity is less than 0, the acceleration is less than 0, both of them is negative, so that's mean the object is speeding up on the interval from 2 to infinity. Let's do some more exercise here from your textbook. So here we have in example 1 to 8, st is a position function of a particle that moves on a horizontal line. Find the position, velocity, speed, and acceleration of the particle at the indicated time. So we need to find the velocity, speed, position, and acceleration. So from your textbook it said we need to find number 4, so here we have 4. So if we said here, for example, we have st, and here if we need to find the velocity, so that's mean vt, and if we need to find acceleration or speed, so the speed will be absolute value of vt, and here we have a of t, which is the acceleration. And we are given the time here at t is equal -1, so t is equal -1, and we have t is equal 3. We said here time per here function. So here we have st, it is given that it is equal t power 4 minus t cube plus t. So if we write here, it is equal t power 4 minus t cube plus t. And if we want to find, or let us write it in different colors, this will be okay. So here we have st is equal t power 4 minus t cube plus t, and vt, it is just the derivative of this one, so it will be 4t cube minus 3t square plus 1, and this one is just the absolute value of the value of this one, and the acceleration will be the derivative of vt, which is equal 12t square minus 6t. Now just we need to find just all this value. We need to find all this value at given t. So that's mean here t at -1, if at t is equal -1, we have here -1 power 4, which is 1, then minus 1, then here we have -1. So 1 minus -1, that's mean 2, 2 minus 1, this will give us, it is equal 1. So the position at t is equal -1, it will be 1. Then we need to find the position at t is equal 3, so that's mean here we have 3 power 4, then plus, so here we have it is equal 3 power 4 minus, 3 power 3 plus 3. So if we evaluate this one, this will give us minus 27 plus 3, which is equal 57. So at t is equal -1, the st is equal 1, and at t is equal 3, st is equal 57. Then to find the velocity at t is equal -1, so that's mean it is equal, so this will give us 4 multiplied by -1, so it will be -4, then -3 plus 1, so -7 plus 1, this will give us, it is equal -6. For t is equal 3, this will give us 4 multiplied by 27, then -3 multiplied by 9, then plus 1. So here we have, so -3 multiplied by 9, then plus 1, this will give us approximately 4 multiplied by 27, then we need to subtract 27, then we need to add 1. So that's mean it is equal 82. Then the speed, it is just the absolute value of the velocity, so that's mean the speed always will be positive. So the speed here, it is equal to 6, and the speed here, it is equal to 82. For the acceleration, we need to find the derivative of velocity, which is 12t square minus 6t. At t is equal -1, so that's mean it is equal 12 minus, so it will be plus 6, so this will give us 18. So the acceleration will be 18. At t is equal to 3, that's mean it will be 12 multiplied by 9 minus 6 multiplied by 3. So 108 minus 6 multiplied by 3, this will give us it is equal 90. So from here, if we need to know if the object is slowing down or slowing up or speeding up, sorry, we need to check these two, the acceleration and the velocity. But we cannot check it at just only one point. We need to check it for all the intervals. But since the question is asked just to find all these at specific points, so this will be all the solution for this one.